Hey my Legion, how y'all doing today? I'm here today to review Nature to Go Chili Mango. Mango infused with chili powder. Now, it wasn't like this one I got from Ollie's, but I mean in the bag it became compromised, so I wanted to make sure to eat this before it goes bad. Where's the price at? There's the Ollie's Discount Warehouse. It says their price $3.99, our price $3.29. A lot of times you go to Mexico and stuff, or you get Mexican, they like putting chili on, like mango and different things like that. Let's try it out. Look at that. Oh, I got a tongue. Like Gene Simmons' tongue, so you can. That's the food that kisses back. Ooh, blue, 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 blue. Mmm. Mmm. That's good. When I was on the hop, it's delicious. I love mango. Mmm. Mmm. That's good. Mmm. I'm at my sister right now celebrating my birthday. And we're going to celebrate birthday and Christmas. Today's my birthday. I'll make sure to eat this because I'm being compromised with. I'll eat all this. It's very good though. Mango's decent quality mango. And the chili gives a great spicy taste. You feel it in the back of your throat. But the combination of sweet and heat really made it an interesting snack choice. And I give this Nature to Go Chili Mango. I got 8.75 out of 10. So hope you like the video, guys. Next time, please take care, my Legion.